Alright guys, this is Peyton with Central Alps again, the premier off-road custom shop in Arlington, Texas. We installed a 6-inch rough country strut spacer kit, 22-inch wheels and 35-inch tires on this 2020 Ram 1500 Laramie. This is our tips and tricks video on how to make this install as easy as possible. For 90% of lifts, you are not going to see a preload spacer. This kit from Rough Country specifically has a preload spacer. And so what you are going to do to make this install go as smoothly as possible is you're going to take out the front strut and spring, and you're going to use a spring compressor. If you don't have one on hand, you can go to the local parts store and install shop like ours, and we can get this taken care of for you. But what you're going to do is you're going to use that compressor to decompress the spring in order to take the strut out. Then you are going to install the preload spacer on top. Once you use that, you pretty much assembled the strut back together. And so you're going to take the strut, install it back into the vehicle. The preload spacer also is going to stiffen up the spring, giving you some more height. If you want to learn more about this build or how to install a preload spacer, give us a call at 833-268-2577 and a design consultant would love to get this started for you. Also, if you would, check out our Will It Fit in order to see how we made this 6-inch lift, 22-inch wheels and 35-inch tires fit, as well as the walkthrough so you can see what brands we specifically used, sizes, and everything in between. Thank you.